Hi friends, generally I don't make videos in this vlog fashion, but today a thought came to my mind and I decided to make this video in which I'll be telling you few things, preferably 10 things that you must know if you are trying to sell photo or if you are into stock photography or if you are even good in stock photography but you are thinking of improving your game. So let's get started. The first step is, please note that the photos you are going to sell should have a story inside it. Okay, it shouldn't be a random photo. You know what I mean. For example, you can see this a landscape photo, right? What do you think? Who will buy this photo? What is the intention of the buyer? The reason why photographers or the reason why the clients actually are buying photo from stock photography agencies is because they don't want to pay professional models or they don't want to hire photographers for their intended shoot. You know what I mean? For example, you run a company and you need some photo to promote your business, right? So what we used to do back in 15-20 years from now, you used to hire photographers and you used to tell them, this is the story I need in order to promote my business, or I used to tell a model, this is the product promotion that you need to do. That thing has been oversimplified using stock photography because now they don't need to hire professional photographers for small scale business, for small scale banners, because they're getting everything from stock photography agencies. So please keep that in mind, that your photo should be used for any business promotion. It may be a blank template where someone need to insert any text, right? It may be some ad campaign, it may be some educational campaign, whatever it is, the thing in the photograph should be used to sell something or to promote something. So my tip is, don't try to upload or try to sell a random photo. Please click with an intention to shoot and then try to upload that photo, and then your chances of selling will drastically increase. The next tip is, metadata is everything. By metadata, I mean keyword caption. Okay, title and description and keywords. No matter how good your photo is, no matter how good your graphic design is, no matter how good your video is, unless you give it a proper caption, proper keyword, it will not be discoverable. And if it is not discoverable, nobody will be able to search it and nobody will be able to download it, right? So please note, in order to make good sales, you should master the art of captioning and keywording. Next is about editing. Yes, editing is allowed. In fact, I always suggest, please edit your photographs to make them look good. Please edit your photographs to make them sellable. Please edit your photographs so that it becomes flawless. It should look good. The thumbnail should look good. Please note that the ones who are buying are simply browsing through pages after pages and they just look at a thumbnail version of your photo. If they find it attractive, it increases the chance of getting clicked and then downloaded. So yes, editing is allowed and I strongly suggest you all to edit it properly. Please don't over-edit. Don't over-edit, okay? But please make sure you do edit your photos before you upload. One very important aspect for a beginner is, your photos should not have any watermark or any copyright. Okay, we often try to upload on social media and we give a load of copyright sign @ or hashtag or our photography logo. Those will not work when you're uploading in stock photography platform. Alright, another very important aspect of uploading a photo or video is, you cannot have any logo. For example, here is a car. Okay, if I photograph this, I have to make sure I remove this Toyota logo, I remove this model brand, I remove this icon. Okay, you simply cannot have those in your photograph because your photos will be used to promote some other brand. Therefore, some existing brand will not be accepted and will be instantly rejected by the stock photography agencies. So make sure there is no logo. Another very important question arises that the photos that you are intending to sell, whether they can be uploaded on social media or not. Yes, the answer is very simple. Of course you can upload. There is no copyright issue regarding that. It actually belongs to you, so you can do whatever you want. But the thing is, if you are a famous stock photographer, if you keep on uploading your photos regularly, the photos that you are selling, there may be others who can copy your photos, who can copy your concepts. So you can be careful about that. But the answer is yes, you can always upload your favorite photos that you are selling, even any kind of social media, Pinterest, anywhere. The next thing I want to point out is rejection is very normal. When we are starting out, almost all photos get rejected. The photos that are getting so much praise on Facebook, Instagram, so many likes are rejected, and we go mad as if something is wrong with us and the reviewer is our enemy. No, they don't know you. We have nothing personal with any uploaders, right? If I'm the reviewer, I don't know you personally. So the thing is, it's a learning process. Photos will get rejected. There are two very common issues on which photos are rejected. One is focus issue and another is noise issue. Especially if you are starting out with mobile phone, focus issue will be a big problem. So I always suggest, please shoot outdoors, please shoot on daylight, don't over edit. These are the few tips regarding mobile phone photography that can get you bypassed regarding the focus issue and the noise issue. One of the very common question I get from new subscribers or the new contributors in stock photography is, sir, I have uploaded so many photos on this Shutterstock or any agency, but I am not earning anything. Well, you have to keep in mind, you earn only when the photos are sold, but not when you upload. Simply uploading is just like opening a showroom where you have many products, but unless a customer comes and pays you for that product, a part of money goes to the company, and as a showroom owner you get a part as commission. The same thing works in stock photography. You only earn once your files sell. And something related to earning is, you don't get paid directly. Alright, you have to reach a minimum amount, which is $35 in case of Shutterstock, $100 in case of iStock, $25 in case of Adobe Stock, so on and so forth. So please don't expect easy money, right? You earn slowly, but you definitely earn. Please know that your money will not be lost. As long as you reach the minimum threshold of earning, your money is safe with the stock photography agencies. Another tip regarding payment is, you don't get paid directly to the bank. Not at least the country in which I live in. You can opt for check payment method, but that is very inefficient. So what you should do, you should always have your identity proof ready. First of all, you should be above 18 years because you need your PAN card if you're living in India to fill up the tax form, which is very essential. All right. And then you need to have a definite payment wallet ID, either PayPal or Skrill or Payoneer, and for which account verification you will also need some valid identity proof, a photograph, right? Only if those IDs are validated, then you get paid from stock photography agencies to those wallet, and from those wallet to your bank. The next tip is, you should always be very clear about model releases. Regarding model release, what is a model release? It's a form which the photographer needs to sign, which the model in the photo needs to sign, and which a witness also needs to sign. This is a legal issue. It is a permission. Even if you are uploading your own photo, you need that permission, and without which a photo that contains an identifiable human face will be rejected, even if it's your selfie, that is own photo. Okay, so it's a must. Yes, I have guides in my channel regarding every tip which I just told. Okay, please go through them if you want to learn. But just know this, if you want to sell a photo that contains a human face, you must upload a model release. Even if you are uploading a photo that has got some identifiable property or artwork, you need a property release. Those are must. So my point is, please don't just think you clicked a random street photo and now you keep on thinking how you can get model releases. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to let your friends or models know that you're gonna sell the photo. You first get a release signed, then you plan the shootout. So this is the best way to have photos of models for commercial stock photography. And what if you actually clicked some random street photos, you clicked photos, a very good newsworthy photo in any event or any procession or anything. For example, in airport, how you can get model releases? Well, you can't get model releases from strangers or in tourist photos, right? So you have to upload them as editorial. I also have dedicated editorial photography guide in my channel. And lastly, how many photos will I have to upload in order to get sales? Okay, very important question and very common question that I get all year from new subscribers. Well, my friend, this is a numbers game. The more you have in your portfolio, the more chances of your getting discovered, getting exposed, and the more chances of you getting sales. Okay, please don't expect to get sales as early as just by uploading 10 to 20 photos. If you just upload 10 to 20 photos and you wait for getting sales, it's never gonna work out. It's same like having a showroom. I give this example to all of my subscribers. What is a showroom? You open a showroom and you just have 10 to 20 mobile phones or 10 to 20 electronic appliances. Do you think customers will walk in and they can get everything they like? No. People are waiting and expecting so many diverse things in your portfolio. So please make a diverse portfolio, create every type of photo as a beginner. They should be commercially sellable, and make sure you build a portfolio of at least 500 photos before expecting any sales. So it's a number game. Please build your portfolio. The stronger your portfolio is, the better sales you will be getting. So guys, that was it about my top 10 tips and concepts and suggestion about stock photography for you beginners. If this video helped you out in any way, please hit the like button. Please make sure to share this video to your friends and other fellow photographers who are starting stock photography, who love stock photography and who want to earn some money from photography. Please check my video playlist. They are segregated agency wise. For example, Shutterstock guide for all Shutterstock videos, iStock guide for all iStock videos, Dreamstime guide for all Dreamstime videos, so on and so forth. And if you don't even know what do I mean by Shutterstock, iStock and Dreamstime, these are all stock photography agencies whose links are given in the description. You can click them and you can sign up your own account in stock photography. And if you don't know how to do them, I have dedicated guides for all of them. Now, if you're watching this video till now, please type the code word of the day, must know. If you type must know in the comment section, I will know you have watched this video till now. You love me, you support me, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.